welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my lash extensions. So this is an update video from my last lash extensions tutorial, and there's not really a lot different going on here, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway, just to give you an update on how I am wearing them now. And really I'm working on the cat eye, but these lashes I'm learning are like just so curly and so long that I'm not able to get like a precise cat eye, but this turned out pretty well. So if you like this look, then this video is for you. I just got certified this week, so I'm still learning a lot and still practicing so much. So this is for my beginners who just want to do their own lashes really quick and they don't want to pay for full sets and things like that. This is the video for you. So I use the same products as I've been using, but I'll go ahead and go over that again. So I use the Ardell individual lash extensions glue, and I also use the Fad lashes. So these are auto fan lashes, and if you don't really know anything about lashes, then you don't know what that is. So basically these lashes are automatically stuck together, so you can grab them in bulks instead of individually. So it just makes the process a lot faster, a lot easier. You don't have to create the fans yourself, but I know a lot of professionals don't prefer that. But if you're not a professional, you want to get this done quickly, these are the lashes for you. So I got the 0.07 double D curl, and I got them in the 15 millimeters to 20 millimeters. So they're very long, but I love the curl and I love the length. The lash remover that I use is by Ardell as well. It's the individual lash remover. I will link that down below for you guys, so don't worry, everything that I use will be down below. But the way that you remove your lashes is basically by putting the glue along your lash line and just continuing to brush. So you want to have a spoolie and you just want to keep brushing once you apply the remover. It's not going to instantly come off, but as long as you keep combing and adding product, it will come off, I promise you. Now if you're using a different glue, then I don't know what to tell you. All I know is that if you're using the Ardell glue and the Ardell lash remover, then your lashes will come off with that remover. I'm gluing the lashes from the bottom, and you'll be able to see that in the video, but I just want to make sure you know that I'm attaching it to a lash from the bottom. Whew. So yeah, that's a lot of information, but we're gonna go ahead and get started and you guys can see the process. This one's a 19, so as I get closer to the inner corners, I like to grab a shorter lash because we're going for the cat eye. You know what I'm talking about? I know you know what I'm talking about. Right now I'm using the 17s, and I'm basically putting them like in the middle and towards the end just to give it more of a wispy look. Now I'm just taking 15s and just randomly putting them in areas just so it'll look fuller. So that wraps up today's video. I really hope you learned something. If it's taking you a minute, just keep practicing. Watch this video as many times as you need to, and leave any questions that you have below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. That would help me out so much. And like this video if you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.